Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Krishna. I have with me the Covrgard films that we have recently introduced in India. We have a range of sun film and paint protection films. These are premium films made of aliphatic TPU. These films also have undergone rigorous testing with the colorimeter for a few thousand hours, and the yellowing coefficient is also very less, it's less than 1%. So we are very confident of these films surviving in our Indian conditions, and with this video, we take you through a process of PPF application on a white Skoda Kodiaq. This particular car that we are applying PPF on is a 2023 model, which was in the parking yard for quite some time with the dealer. So we had to undergo a thorough decontamination and a paint correction process. You can witness the PPF application process in this video. We had to sand out this particular car at a few places because there was a bit of bird etching and you had a bit of tree sapling marks as well. So we have done the thorough paint correction on this, and then the PPF is applied. We had a long discussion with the customer depending on his needs. We gave him all the options that was possible for this particular car. He opted for the Eco range of gloss films, which comes in with a 5-year warranty for yellowing, blistering, cracking and flaking. These are typically the manufacturing defects. The PPF is a wet application process. You have to activate the glue using a tack solution, or it's called a slip solution. You apply this on the panel as well as the film. Place the film on the panel, move it and align it, and then you start squeezing it out, or you remove the water with the squeegee. Apart from this, you'll have to spray a little bit of shampoo over the film as well to ensure that you don't create any marks on the film when you are using the squeegee over the film. This is very key to ensure that the application is done in the right way. The key aspect with the PPF is that we do this to protect the original factory paint. Unfortunately, the market is flooded with a lot of cheap PPF, and the low prices are driving the customers to get that done. However, do note that these low quality PPF can ruin the factory paint. As a customer, do a thorough research with respect to the specifications, the brand, and the warranties, and then opt in for a good quality PPF to protect your car for a long time to come. Typically, the tail lamps, the mirror, the weather strips and door handles are removed for a seamless application of the PPF. And typically it is even more important on the white cars, so that the edges are tucked in and the dust doesn't settle out on the corners. On this particular car, all the painted panels were wrapped with the PPF. The exterior trims such as your piano black plastic on the A and B pillars, and a few interior trims were also wrapped with PPF. Post the PPF application process, we thoroughly clean the car again, and we ceramic coat the plastic trims, alloys, the glasses and interiors if the customer has opted for it. Here is how we have the Kodiaq ready with the PPF applied. With Covrgard, we have got you covered. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.